What's going on? I just got a new pickup. It's these Tiffany's. They're a little messed up, but that's the reason why I bought them, because I'm gonna show you guys how I restore them. I got these for a good price, and they came with OG everything. 9.5. Got the laces here. The only thing that I really see wrong with this is just the toe box creases, the yellow midsole, and the dull croc skin. But luckily I know how to fix all that. To clean the shoes, I got some Jason Mark, but you guys could use whatever you have. Anything really works. I got the brush. Okay, that's just to attack all the dirt that's on the leather or the tongues. And for the croc skin, I got this shoe and boot polish to make it shiny again. And for the creases, just stuff them and press the wrinkles out. You can see this is my third pair. I have two other pairs, the one that I rock and the one that I stock. So yeah, this is a educational video to show you guys how to fix your shoes up so you don't have to pay these ridiculous prices for good looking shoes. Stay tuned. Okay, once you've let your shoe get an adequate amount of time to dry, you can see it's a little dull, but it's not too dull. So we're going to hit it with the shoe polish. I'm going to use this cotton ball to apply it. And you're just going to want to hit all this black croc print. Okay. Hit all this area. Okay, and after you've applied it all, we're going to let it dry for a bit, maybe 5-10 minutes. Okay, yeah, you see we hit all the croc print. It's looking a little bit shinier, but it'll look a little bit better once we buff it. Get a good amount, even coat on all the sides. And make sure you put the shoe polish after you clean the shoe, because if you put it before you clean the shoe, it kind of defeats the purpose, because you're going to wash it all off once you clean it. Okay, there's one shoe. What's going on, people? This is just a continuation of the video that the restoration for the Tiffany SBs. I got everything else knocked out the way. Just gave the shoe a general clean. Shined up the croc print a bit. I'm still gonna give it one more session. Got the majority of the creases out. I mean, there's some couple in there, but nothing too big. And today I'm Luckily, it's a sunny day in Chicago, Illinois, and I'm gonna whiten the midsoles. Okay, I'm not gonna go show a process of me making it. If you guys want to know how to make it, the specifics of it, check out Restore My Sneakers. Basically, what you're gonna need is OxyClean, hydrogen peroxide, 12%, I believe, and I forgot what this is called. But yeah, they know all the ingredients to it. So yeah, you're gonna need that. I'm gonna mix it up in this bowl. And I forgot one more thing. This gel thing. Yeah, so those are all the things you're gonna need. Okay, so I got my shoe right here. I'm gonna leave it in direct sunlight, and we're gonna see how it looks in half an hour. So here we have the finished product. Still got a scuff there, right on the tip. Have to go back and, you know, maybe buff it out. But yeah, crack print shined. Toe box a little bit decreased. Midsole unyellowed. Still got little minor stains there, but the right one. Midsole whitened. Crack print looking hella shiny. Might steam the toe boxes to get rid of some of the wrinkles that are there, but that's it. That's the Tiffany restoration. I hope you guys liked this video, and we'll definitely have more shoe reviews and maybe restorations in the near future. Thanks for watching.